So for vector addition, we have two laws. The first one is called as triangle law, and the other one is parallelogram law. Okay, they both of them works for vector addition. Okay, we'll start with triangle law. So in a triangle law, if I have two vectors which are along two adjacent side of a triangle, the third vector will be along the third side of that
Yes.
triangle. So if I follow that, then I can say that A plus B is equal to C. Okay, where A, B, C are the vectors. So just to show it properly, you can put that arrowheads. Okay, this is called as triangle law of vector addition. Name of the law is not important, but how we are doing it, that you should know. Okay, so a simple explanation for triangle law will be, just imagine that if we open the triangle from this side, this vertex, okay, so what will happen? Vector A will be along the base only, then vector B will just come like this because we are opening it like a flower, you can imagine, okay, and then C will go on the other side. So if C goes on the other side, then I can draw C like this, okay, because C goes like this. Is that clear? Now here, the law of equilibrium of forces can also be understood. The net vector on the left will be equal to the net vector on the right. On the right, we have A and B as the net vector because they are in the same direction, while on the left, we have C as the net vector. So this is a proof, or we can say a verification of this triangle law, that y C is equal to A plus B. If we consider the directions properly, then you can very easily see that the net towards the left will be equal to the net towards the right.
Alright.